Measuring one-story industrial buildings. Within IntelliSite, there's a couple of different options for measuring buildings. If you use the Pictometry tool, you can simply type in an address, which will provide the ability to view high-quality aerial imagery. Here you can see a distribution center for Makita. If we are interested in measuring, we can measure the area by clicking around the outside of the area of importance. Here you can see that the building's roughly 325,000 square feet. We also have the option to go through a similar workflow within Business Analyst. Here, simply type in the address, which will drop a pin on the map. I'm going to change my map type to a hybrid image and zoom in on the location. You can see that on the toolbar on the right side of the screen, there are a number of different options, one of which is the measuring tool. Here, we can measure by distance or area. If I want to run by area, I can see that I have square mileage, but I can quickly change that to square footage with a couple clicks of a button. I can make any adjustments and see my total measurement.